Best of luck, Jim.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
And what's your name?
Jim the dancer.
Do you have a day job, or is this what you do full-time?
This is like a hobby, and I just do painting and decorating during the week.
OK. We're intrigued, so take it away.
By the way, I've got 4 acts all in one. Is that OK? Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
Righty-o.
This is your 3 minutes to change your life.
OK.
Hit it!
What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, I've got flowers and lots of hours to spend with you.
Reel him in, reel him in.
Well done, Jim.
So that was the first act.
Right.
Because he's got 4 acts.
Brilliant. I can't wait.
Very hot in here, Jim, isn't it?
How long?
It's worth waiting for.
So I've just got a night bus to get.
Hello.
Hiya.
Who are you?
We are Strokes of Madness.
Obviously, you're twins.
Yes. Yes.
And how did you meet?
Right. Best of luck.
Look, apart from the end, which was sensational, it was the dancing with the mad faces. I mean, it was like crazy. And my nose is too big.
It looks like Gerard Depardieu.
You've made him look far too handsome. I'm going to say no.
It's a nice to know, but thank you.
Thank you.
Here we go.
There we go. Oh!
Here's the next one.
Here's the next one.
Two down, 2 to go.
Hello. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Richard. I live in Bridgend in South Wales.
Do you have a day job?
I do. I'm an environment officer.
That sounds good.
I'm here because I've a talent, and I thought it's about time I showcase that talent.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Honestly thought you were going to do something like Nessun Dorma. Instead, you make those weird noises, so...
Don't give up the day job?
You said it.
Stall them, Jack, stall them. What? 2 seconds.
No more?
Oh, David!
What's the matter with you people? Don't you know entertainment? He could turn it around with this one. Jim, let's give Jim a round of applause.
What did you think?
Well, I
David?
thought it was the best papier-mâché dance act we've seen tonight.
We've got to vote. Alicia.
Jimbo, it's a no.
It's a no from me, Jim.
David.
I'm saying yes.
Jim, it's 3 no's. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jim. It's good fun, though.
That is a good act.
Oh, dear, that's when you know know the show is just going bonkers.